In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Jotform Hipaa compliant. If you work within the healthcare sector or handle health information in any capacity, ensuring the privacy and security of patient data is not just crucial. It's mandated by law under the Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act, or Hipaa. Jotform, a robust online form builder, has the capability to ensure your forms meet these stringent standards. But how exactly do you activate these features? Stick around as I guide you through each step to make your Jotform Hipaa compliant. First things first, you'll need to navigate to the Jotform website. It's a simple process. Once you're on their homepage, you're going to see an array of options and resources. But for our purpose today, the first course of action is to log into your account. If you haven't yet created one, take a moment to sign up. It's a straightforward process that offers immense value, especially in handling sensitive information securely. To log in, look for the login option on the page. Jotform provides various login methods for ease of access, including using your Google account or other platforms if you've previously connected them. This flexibility ensures you can access your account effortlessly, keeping your workflow smooth and uninterrupted. After you're logged in, you'll want to focus your attention on My Forms. This section is the heart of Jotform, where all your form creations and designs live. Here you can manage existing forms or create new ones, but our primary objective for now is to adjust the settings for Hipaa compliance. With My Forms open, direct your attention to the profile icon positioned at the top right corner of the page. Clicking here unveils several options, but we're interested in the Settings option. It's here in the settings where you can manage your account details, preferences, and more importantly, the compliance features that Jotform offers. Once you're in the Settings menu, look for the Data option. Jotform's dedication to privacy and security is evident in the layers of settings available to protect user data. Clicking on Data brings you a step closer to achieving Hipaa compliance for your forms. The final step, and perhaps the most crucial, is to enable Hipaa compliance. You'll find this option within the Data settings. Activating Hipaa compliance transforms how your forms handle, process, and store information, ensuring they adhere to the stringent regulations set forth by the law. Enabling this feature may require you to upgrade your account, but it's a small price for the peace of mind and legal compliance it offers. Once activated, Jotform will take you through any additional setup that may be required, ensuring that from this point forward your forms are fully Hipaa compliant. This not only includes the security of data transmission, but also how the data is stored and accessed. Remember, Hipaa compliance isn't just about checking a box, it's about maintaining the privacy and security of health information. By making your Jotform Hipaa compliant, you provide an assurance to your clients about their data's safety, which can significantly enhance trust and credibility in your services. That's it, you've now equipped yourself with the knowledge to make your Jotforms Hipaa compliant. As you create or modify your online forms, you can rest assured knowing they meet the necessary health information privacy standards. Keep in mind, staying compliant is an ongoing process, and it's crucial to regularly review and adjust your forms and practices as needed. If you ever feel overwhelmed or unsure, Jotform's support and resources are there to guide you through. Thank you for joining me today. If this tutorial was helpful, please consider subscribing for more content like this. Stay secure and compliant.